Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Guys, today's DIY will be a floral mirror box centerpiece, and this video is for sharing. And here we get started with a few items. I don't have everything here that I used for this video, but the foundation of this video are 8x10 mirrors, and those mirrors came from the Dollar Tree. Everything else will be listed in the description below. I begin this project by gluing all 4 of my mirrors together to form a box. I just want to come in for a second and say hello to all of my subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and hanging there with me, especially those of you who come back and comment on the videos. I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Hey, and if you are a current viewer and you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you are new to this channel and just tuned in, hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification button, guys. Thank you so much. Once I have all of my mirrors glued together, I used foam poster board as the bottom of my mirror box. After the board was cut, I covered both sides with marble design contact paper. Once the bottom of the box is in place, I glue it from the inside. I made 4 mini blocks out of the foam poster board to help support the screws that will be used for the glass knobs that will be going on the bottom of the mirror box. As you see here, I'm gluing them in place in all 4 corners of my box. Right here, I'm removing the knobs and the screws from the packaging. And they also have small washers. And here you see I have pre-drilled or made holes in my blocks. And this is how the legs will go on the bottom of the box. Once the screw pushes through the bottom of the mirror box, I add on the dresser knobs. This is done until all 4 sides are complete. And right here, I used more foam poster board to bring up the level of the inside of the box, because that's a lot of box to try to fill up. So I just put a layer in there to bring it closer to the top of the box, if you can understand what I mean. And so on top of that, I put the styrofoam, the styrofoam floral foam in place. And you can see that I am using a generous amount of the hot glue. All right, everybody, this is day 2, and what I have here are the 5x5 mirrors. I think they're still 5x5 mirrors from the Dollar Tree, if you recognize them. So I'll be putting these on by using this Fix-All glue, and I also have hot glue. Fix-All for more permanent hold, and hot glue for the quick hold. Right here, I'm just making sure that I remove all dust and prints to make sure that my glue will hold both surfaces together. And here is my design. I think it's turning out great, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And the next step will be the flower arrangement. So here we have the flower arrangement that I will be using, which is all white flowers, a nice assortment. We have the twig of cotton, natural cotton, and this is for the earthiness. We also have for height the delphinium, and for drama I have amaranthus. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but we have that for the drama. I have gold mini eucalyptus sprig to accent the white, and some spotted lilies with hydrangeas to fill in the rest. I begin building my floral arrangement with the height. I glue these flowers in place. Then I go ahead to add reindeer moss to the inside of my box, and this is for coverage. Once I have the height and drama flowers in place, I add the hydrangeas and the lilies. And this is the final result, guys. What do you think? I think it turned out so pretty. It says springtime. It's very pretty. Guys, I also installed a set of fairy lights, which you will see in a moment. But this would be really gorgeous on a nice dining room table that is set up for the springtime, or it could be a centerpiece at a wedding, an event. But anyway, guys, I hope that you liked the content that I put out in my video today. And if you did, give me a thumbs up for a like. Tap that like button, then hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel and you are not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And guys, I will see you in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.